Welcome to Cobar Town and Country Motoring. Believe it or not, I've got the very last room. There's actually no vacancies in this town. There's so many motels and there's no vacancies at all. There is a swimming pool here. I think it's a bit too cold to be swimming. There is a restaurant in there, but it's closed. There's a lot of accommodations here. Let's go check out my accommodation. Okay, this is first impression of the room. I think it is correct. There's a lot of miners in town. Come on, what's with the light? Very simple, very basic. That's all you need, really. Ooh, no muddy boots. Yeah, you're right. It is bloody muddy out there. Extra pillows, ironing board. What's with these lights? Microwave, fridge. She did ask if I want some milk, fresh milk for tea tomorrow, coffee and tea. Oh, I said no, lactose intolerant. I have to say the bathroom's huge. That's open, so I don't know, it's going to be cold tonight, I think. But yeah, overall, very satisfactory.